Are you ready to transform your hot summer afternoons from drab to fab with just one sip? Forget boring drinks, because we're about to craft the most refreshing, vibrant beverage you've ever tasted. Today, we're diving into the magic of homemade summer lemonade, specifically a sparkling cucumber basil concoction that's going to be your new go-to. This isn't just any drink. It's a burst of cool, zesty, and herbaceous goodness that's surprisingly easy to whip up, perfect for anyone who loves fresh, non-alcoholic options. If you're looking for a simple recipe that tastes like a gourmet spa treat, then stick around, because I'm going to show you exactly how to make it. We all know the struggle. The sun is blazing, you're parched, and plain water just isn't cutting it. Sugary sodas leave you feeling sluggish, and most store-bought lemonades are packed with artificial stuff. That's where our homemade cucumber basil lemonade comes in, ready to save your taste buds and keep you feeling light and energized. This isn't just a drink, it's a mood enhancer, a little escape in a glass. The secret lies in fresh, simple ingredients that work in perfect harmony. We're talking about crisp cucumbers, fragrant basil, bright lemons, and a touch of sparkling water to bring it all together. To start, you'll need about one medium cucumber, peeled and roughly chopped, a handful of fresh basil leaves, about 10 to 15 should do it, and the juice from 3 to 4 juicy lemons. For sweetness, a simple syrup works best. Just boil equal parts sugar and water until the sugar dissolves, then let it cool. Now, for the fun part, grab a pitcher and throw in your chopped cucumber and basil leaves. Using a muddler or even the back of a spoon, gently press and twist to release all those amazing flavors. You want to bruise the basil and smash the cucumber a bit, but don't pulverize them. Next, pour in your fresh lemon juice and the cooled simple syrup. Give it a good stir, then let it sit in the fridge for at least 30 minutes, or even an hour, to let those flavors truly get to know each other. The longer it sits, the deeper the flavor will be. When you're ready to serve, strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve, pressing out all the liquid and discard the solids. This gives you a smooth, beautiful base. Fill your glass with ice, pour in your cucumber basil concentrate, and top it off with sparkling water. Garnish with a fresh cucumber slice and a basil sprig, and there you have it, a sparkling cucumber drink that's pure summer bliss. This homemade summer lemonade is more than just a recipe, it's an experience. The first sip is like a cool breeze on a hot day. The cucumber brings a subtle, earthy coolness, the basil adds a surprising herbal depth, and the lemon provides that familiar, zesty tang. The sparkling water elevates it all, making it feel light and celebratory. It's the perfect fresh basil beverage for health-conscious folks and home cooks alike, and incredibly easy to make. So ditch those unhealthy alternatives and treat yourself to this refreshing, easy, non-alcoholic drink. It's perfect for backyard barbecues, quiet afternoons on the porch, or just because you deserve a little burst of freshness. If you loved this sparkling cucumber basil lemonade, check out my next video popping up on screen right now.